Commercial Correspondence, Chapter 2, Effective Letter Writing and its Various Style. Now, let us start with second chapter, Effective Letter Writing and its Various. We all know that the modern method of communication are speedy, effective, economical and simpler, so are widely accepted and popular. The form of letter writing has changed, but its importance has not decreased. Now let us learn history of letter writing. In ancient days, pigeons were used. Kings and emperors used to send messengers to send secret and confidential information. Messages were written on leaves of the trees, pieces of cloth, and thereafter piece of paper. During the British rule in India, well-planned and organized form was given to communication and letter writing. Post and telegram department was started. Indian government gifted two important services, telephone and telegram. They were considered as the most modern mean in those days. Postcard, inland letter, envelope, etc. were there and they were given much more importance. Hence, the most economical and simple means of letter writing came up, and this got the most popularity among the people. Indian Post and Telegram departments started speed post service, which made the services speedier. Later on, the distribution of letters and other things through Angadiya system and courier, that is the private service of delivering letters, got introduced. At present, we have internet, and this is the most modern service, and which is called as your email. This came into existence. Now let us learn the characteristics of letter writing. The characteristics are: it is simple and reasonable method. It is important and useful for the writer and receiver. It has no boundaries of place and time. It is recognized as an evidence of information. Information can be kept confidential. If required in future, the concerned information can be reused. Letters are easily sent and received. It is a link between writer of the letter and its receiver. The writing of letter establishes an image of the firm or institution. Letter works as its silent representative of the concerned firm. Types of letter writing: formal letters and informal letters. Under formal letters, we have two parts: business letters and official letters. Business letters are for the purpose of advertising and expanding the business, like letters of inquiry, letters of order, letters of agency, etc. Official letters are written to the institution regarding administrative matters, application, water problem related, that is to the government if we are writing, letters regarding the ration cards, etc. Now the second part was informal letter, letters of greetings, condolence, congratulations, invitation, etc. Meaning of business letters. What is correspondence? When there is an exchange of information between one individual and another, or between two institutions, or between individual and institution through letter writing, then we consider it as a correspondence. Now when this correspondence is carried out for business purpose, this is known as your business correspondence. Business transaction, undertaking of contract, promotion of the product, sale advertisement, business negotiation, grievance, compromise, adjustment, these are all covered in the business correspondence. Its vocabulary is different. So a perfect format is there and a specific vocabulary is used for this business communication. Therefore, it is known as your commercial communication. Now, what is the importance of business letter? As the business trend keeps on changing, so we have to inform this to our customers related to whether it is affecting your business or your manufacturer or distributors. So you have to inform them. Now, business letter plays a vital role in spreading the business by being in touch with the customers and reading the minds of the people. Business letter works as a salesman and boosts business activity. So they create a prestige and good image by giving information to customers regarding the products. Now, effective business correspondence. How effective your letter will be. Business correspondence is an important tool for business activity, for its development and growth. So it should be effective. If our letter serves the motive of our business, then only it is called effective business correspondence. The communication increases our sale regarding the product and also for a long-term relation with that customer, then it's a good deal. So we create a positive image of the business firm effectively, and so we call it as effective business correspondence. Now let us learn about the characteristics of effective business correspondence. Now let us learn to the characteristics of effective business correspondence. First topic, clarity. The matter written in the letter should be clear. There should be no query, no misunderstanding for the receiver. If in a letter it is written only 20% discount to a person who purchases from us, it's not clear. Whereas if clarity is there, by writing 20% discount will be given to a person who purchased from us the goods worth rupees 5,000 at a time. So for the receiver, the matter is clear. Now the second point is conciseness. This is the soul of the letter. Letter should be brief with minimum required and benefiting words, as it saves the time for writing as well as reading it. Here, lengthy writing. We are interested in purchasing the books, drawing books, paper, notebooks, pencil, rubber, color, etc. Brief writing. We are interested in purchase various items of stationery. Now we know these items are there in the stationery shop. There is no need to write or put up all the list of the items. But a simple word or this word is clear that the person is interested in purchasing the items. Third topic is completeness. The letter should be complete with all required details. For example, incomplete writing means goods have been dispatched as per your order. Whereas complete writing will be as per your order dated 12th April, 20 blankets and 15 pillows have been dispatched today through Raj Transport. Now the fourth topic is concreteness. Content of the letter should be concrete. The words used should convey one and only one meaning. There should be no confusion for the reader. Inconcrete writing means we are interested in purchasing some chairs. And the clear one, that is a concrete writing, will be we are interested to purchase 25 chairs of number 7. Fifth topic is consideration. The letter should contain reader-centric approach. The content, language, selection of words should be suitable to the position, dignity and understanding of the receiver. Self-centered or self-centric attitude is we are opening a new branch in your city for the facility of regular customer like you. Correct way of writing will be, or the reader-centric attitude will be, we are opening new branch in your city for the facility of regular customer like you. Now the correctness. The content of business letter should be correct from language and facts point of view. Incorrect writing is we are receive your letter. Correct writing will be we have received your letter. because here some when you read itself the grammar problem everything has been seen, so we can understand there, and it gives a bad image to the firm and we lose the prestige of the firm. Next topic is courtesy, like thanks, please, excuse. These words makes the letter modest and mannerly. Non-courtesy writing is you have been careless in making the payment for the goods you have purchased. Courtesy writing means you are requested to make the payment of goods as earlier as possible. The above mentioned characteristics of letter achieves business purpose and makes correspondence effective. In making business correspondence effective, the structure and writing of a letter are an important thing. Let us learn the style of business letter. Normally following styles are found in business letter: fully block style, modified block style, semi-indented style, fully indented style, hanging indented style and NOMA style. We'll be learning about only two style, fully block style and modified block style. Fully blocked style, the most modern style of letter writing. Date, inside address, salutation, body of a letter, complimentary close, signature, everything is on the left side. No punctuation mark are used in this style, and as everything is on the left side, so it is quite easy to type in this style. Modified block style, this is the most popular method of letter writing, and even in 12th we are going to use this style. All the inside address, salutation, main part, everything is on the left side. Date of the letter, complimentary close and signature are on the right side of the letter. Punctuation marks are also used in this letter. All the details of this letter are distributed on both the sides, so the letter looks balanced. Only while typing we have to be a little bit careful in this modified block style.